I am at 4462 West 14th Street. This is a complete rehab by Old Brooklyn Community Development Corporation. New porch, new sidewalks, new driveway, new garage, new roof, new siding, new doors, new deck. Let's go check out the inside. We are in South Hills, got a brick street, very nice neighborhood, just off State Route 176, very convenient. New steps, brick and stone. So we come into the great room. We've got a very nice kitchen, living room, and I am standing in the dining area. Breakfast bar, granite counters, pendant lights, tons of counter space. We've got the microwave included, disposal, dishwasher, new flooring. We have a full bath on the first floor. Got a little pantry here. Actually, a little coat closet. Sorry. First floor bedroom with a closet. And we have family room. So this is right off of the living room, but it's got the sliders out to the deck. So this is really, I think, a great asset for this house. You can see the deck leads right to the yard. The yard's not done yet because it's winter. Let's head upstairs. So you come up, and as soon as you take a left, you have a little office area. So nice little space here. We have bedroom level laundry. Go into the primary bedroom. Got a closet over there. We also have area for storage or more closet space there. And then we have another full bath. The walk-in shower. We have another bedroom off this bathroom, so it's kind of a Jack and Jill situation. Closet. And then we come around and we are back in the hallway by the little office area. All new carpet, new drywall, the new staircase. This staircase is brand new. All new mechanicals, new AC, new furnace, new hot water tank, new electrical. It's a rehab, but it functions as a new house. There's your new furnace, new plumbing stack. There's your new electrical, all your new wiring. And you've got your new hot water tank. Got some additional supports, some more new plumbing over there. Okay, thank you.